Everyone dreams of having a fat bank account, the kind that lets you retire early, travel the world, and live life entirely on your terms. Who wouldn't want to wake up in a beachfront villa or buy their dream car without even checking the price tag? But here's the truth. Building wealth isn't magic. It's not about luck. It's a discipline. And if you're serious about growing your money in 2025 and beyond, then listen carefully, because today I'm going to share 10 proven, actionable strategies that anyone can use to grow their income, save smarter, and achieve financial freedom, no matter where you're starting from. Make sure you stick around until the end, because the final 3 steps are what truly separates the wealthy from everyone else, and they might just change your life. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people like you who are ready to take control of their money. Alright, let's dive right in. Every great success story starts with a clear plan. You can't hit a target you can't see. The rich understand this. They don't just wish for wealth, they design it. Start by writing down your financial goals in specific, measurable terms. How much money do you want to save in 12 months? What do you want your net worth to be in 5 years? What kind of lifestyle do you want to live by, age 40 or 50? Once you've written it down, review it regularly. Speak it into existence. That's what manifestation really means, keeping your goals at the front of your mind until they become your reality. But don't stop there. Turn your goals into a step-by-step action plan. Create a checklist. For example, pay off $2,000 of debt, save $500 per month, or invest $100 weekly. Every time you check something off, you build momentum. And momentum, my friends, is the key to financial growth. Next, you need to say no to debt. Debt is one of the biggest traps holding people back from building wealth. Sure, not all debt is bad. Some, like a mortgage or a business loan, can actually help you grow if used wisely. But consumer debt, like credit card bills, buy now, pay later purchases, or payday loans, can drain your income faster than anything else. Here's the truth. Every dollar you owe someone else is a dollar you can use to build your future. If you have debt right now, list every loan, credit card, and balance you owe, along with their interest rates. Start by attacking the highest interest debt first. That's where most of your money leaks out. And remember, before you even think about investing, you need to clear that burden. Once you're debt-free, you'll not only feel lighter, but you'll also have more cash flow to save and invest. This brings us to our next point. Start saving now. It might sound basic, but it's the foundation of everything else. If you're not saving, you're not building. Period. The popular 50-30-20th rule is a great place to start. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. But if you really want to accelerate your growth, try flipping that ratio. Make it 50-20ths. 30 meaning 30% goes straight into savings. Cut unnecessary expenses. Make your own coffee instead of buying one daily. Cancel subscriptions you rarely use. Downgrade your phone plan. These small adjustments can easily free up hundreds each month money that can be redirected toward your future. And don't just let that money sit in a regular account. Automate your savings into a high-yield account or investment vehicle where it can start working for you. Now, let's talk about the future. You need to build a retirement fund. It might sound far away, but the sooner you plan for retirement, the easier your life will be later. Set up or contribute to a 401k or IRA if you're employed. If you're self-employed, look into a solo 401k or Roth IRA. Let's say you earn $75,000 a year. If you contribute $5,000 to your retirement account, you'll only be taxed on $70,000. Plus, that money will grow through compound interest. That's the real secret: compounding. It's the 8th wonder of the world for a reason. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply. And remember, retirement isn't just about getting old. It's about buying freedom. The freedom to do what you want, when you want, without worrying about bills. Once you have a solid emergency fund and a financial foundation, it's time to identify investment opportunities. Before you dive in, research, study, learn the basics. Look into options like stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, and real estate. You don't have to invest thousands right away. Even $50 or $100 a month can make a huge difference over time. Always diversify your investments. Never put all your eggs in one basket. And remember, investing isn't gambling. It's about patience, long-term vision, and consistency. Now, how do you know if you're on the right track? You track your growth and review your progress. You can't improve what you don't measure. Track your net worth. Know how much you earn, how much you spend, and how much you're growing each month. Use tools like spreadsheets, budgeting apps, or even an old-school notebook, whatever works for you. Every few months, review your progress. Are your investments performing? Are you saving enough? Are you overspending anywhere? If something isn't working, adjust it. Wealth building is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. It's an ongoing journey that requires constant fine. Even the most successful people have mentors and advisors. If you start to make real progress, don't hesitate to seek expert advice. A financial expert can help you make better investment decisions, reduce taxes, and identify opportunities you might not see. Contrary to what many people think, good financial advice isn't just for millionaires. You can find certified professionals who work with people at all income levels. A reliable advisor will help you protect and grow your wealth faster than trial and error ever could. And now for those final 3 steps I mentioned. These are the habits that truly make the difference. Number 3, be consistent. The richest people in the world didn't get there overnight, they stayed consistent. Consistency beats intensity every single time. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to stay on track. Follow your plan, stick to your budget. Avoid unnecessary spending. Remember, even small, regular steps compound into massive results over time. Think of it like going to the gym. You won't see results after one workout, but if you keep at it for a year, the change is undeniable. Number 2 is to invest in knowledge. Your mind is your greatest asset. The more you learn, the more you earn. Study personal finance, investing, and wealth management. Take online courses. Read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Millionaire Next Door, or Think and Grow Rich, Attend workshops, follow financial podcasts, and stay updated on new trends. Knowledge gives you the power to make smart decisions, identify opportunities, and avoid financial pitfalls. And the number 1 strategy, which is often overlooked but absolutely crucial, is to maintain your assets. Take care of what you own, whether it's your car, your home, your health, or your business. Regular maintenance prevents bigger, costlier problems down the road. Think about it. Servicing your car costs less than replacing it. Preventive health care is cheaper than emergency treatment. And don't forget, you are your biggest asset. Invest in your physical, emotional, and mental health. Exercise, eat well, rest, and manage stress. A strong, healthy body and mind are the foundation of every other kind of wealth. So let's recap. Create a plan and manifest it. Say no to debt. Start saving. Build a retirement fund. Identify smart investments. Track your progress. Seek expert advice. Stay consistent. Invest in knowledge. And maintain your assets. If you follow these 10 steps, you will be miles ahead of most people financially. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom of time, freedom of choice, and freedom of lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below with which of these steps you'll start working on today. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your future.